Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Mastery Pro. Today we've got an exciting video lined up for you. We're going to explain how to enable Do Not Track in any web browser. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscriber button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you find this video helpful or entertaining, give it a thumbs up and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright, let's get started. What is Do Not Track in your web browser? Do Not Track might not sound familiar, but it's a privacy feature built into most web browsers. When you enable it, it asks the websites you visit not to collect or track your web browsing data. The interesting thing to note here is that the feature only sends a request. It's then up to the sites you're visiting whether to accept this request or not. The sites can deny the request and collect or track your online data, like how they've been doing. It's still worth toggling this feature on, as it levels up your online privacy a bit. Enabling Do Not Track on your desktop is a bit different from enabling it on the mobile version of Chrome, so I've covered them separately. On desktop, launch Chrome, select the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Settings. Select the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Settings. From the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security. On the right pane, choose Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Here, turn on Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. In the open prompt, select Confirm. You've successfully enabled Do Not Track in Chrome. On mobile, open Chrome. Tap the three dots in the top right corner, and choose Settings. Select Privacy and Security in Settings. Tap Send a Do Not Track request and enable the toggle. Check the box and enable the toggle. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Mastery Pro if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or just want to say hi, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you.